Okay, so we're ready to purchase and set up and issue our SSL certificate for FileMaker Server 17. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go and just type in my server address in the address bar and make sure that this page shows up, the FileMaker database server website. This means that my domain name has propagated and is accessible so that when the SSL vendor goes to verify the ownership of that domain is set up and ready to go. So now that I've verified that, I'm going to go to GoDaddy, which is usually, it's a pretty cheap SSL vendor and is generally trustworthy. It's one of the supported SSL vendors for FileMaker. If I go to their home page, I'm actually signed in with my account right now. You can click SSL Security, and you want to sign up with Protect One website. Now you'll notice it's $74.99 a year, or if you buy 2 years at a time, $59.99 per year. And it says available on DV, OV, and EV SSL certificates. I'm going to go with a DV certificate, which is just the standard certificate. Now you'll go to this page, and then you'll continue, and then you'll check out right there. But I've already purchased one of these, so I'm just going to go to my account, which will take me to my products, and you'll see that SSL certificates, I have a standard SSL certificate here. So what I'm going to do is go to set up that certificate. I'm going to click on my new certificate, and it says provide a certificate signing request. So on my desktop here, I've got my server request.csr. So I can grab all that and just copy the contents of that CSR that we generated. Paste them there. And you see that it automatically pulls out that domain name based on the CSR. So it's already decoded that for me. And it says they're going to send an email with a unique code to your address on file. Follow its instructions to verify that you have DNS control. So you want to generally check both of these boxes and request certificate. So you'll see now that this is pending. You don't need to do anything now. We'll email you if more info is needed. So let's go and check those other places out. So I'm here in the Gmail that I set up for this course, and you'll see that I got a domain control verification is required email. So it says, Dear Secure Certificate Customer, such and such, domain access control instructions. So this is going to show us how we can verify ownership of our domain. So if you're able to make domain name zone changes, which we can, you can use the domain control validation process. Or you can store a web page in the highest level directory. So we're going to do that first one, and I actually know where we're going here, so I'm going to go to my domains. I'm going to go to this domain, go to DNS, because we're going to need to make a DNS change here for them to verify. So we're going to create, here it says when requesting, we need to verify, which is what we're doing, and we're going to verify a DNS record. So click on DNS record, and it says your unique ID for these methods is this ID, so I'm going to copy that. So we're going to create a text record, and we're going to paste that value in there, and we're going to add that value. So you see we've got a text record in here now on the top level domain giving the code that they sent us. So now GoDaddy will be able to verify that ownership. And if we go back here to our certificate page, you will see that they check every 15 minutes for your update. Once they see it, it'll be validated. So that's really the easiest way to do it. Just add this quick DNS record so that they can verify your ownership of that domain, and then your SSL certificate will get issued so you can download it and install it. I click that button to check for the update instead of waiting for the 15 minutes, and it verified that it's completed. Says allow 5 to 10 minutes for this to take effect. So you can see the status down here that certificates is still pending verification. It also says upload documentation. If they need this, they'll let you know. So basically it's just a short waiting game at this point before the certificate gets issued, and you can download that and install it.